Every sock begins with yarn, carefully selected blends of natural and synthetic fibers, engineered for the specific performance requirements of each sock category.
Cotton provides softness and moisture absorption, while nylon adds the abrasion resistance and elasticity that allows.
Spandex yarn provides the elastic recovery that maintains sock fit throughout the day, the critical difference between a sock that stays up and one that falls down. The facility maintains thousands of yarn variants to produce its complete range of sock styles, patterns, and performance categories. Each Jacquard machine draws from multiple yarn sources simultaneously, selecting specific colors stitch by stitch to build complex patterns.
Modern sock design begins as digital artwork that is translated into individual stitch-level knitting commands.
Each individual stitch position can be programmed to select from any of the available yarn feeds, enabling photographic quality pattern complexity. The knitting hall is the productive heart of the factory. Hundreds of identical machines, each capable of independently producing. Each needle independently hooks, holds, and releases yarn in a precisely timed sequence, creating a new row of interlocked loops with every revolution of the cylinder. Heel construction is the most complex knitting operation, requiring the machine to reverse direction and selectively knit partial rows to create the three-dimensional heel pocket. Circular knitting produces a tube open at the toe end, requiring a subsequent closing operation to complete the sock. Modern toe closing technology joins the toe stitches without a bulky seam, providing superior comfort inside the shoe. Terry cushioning creates a dense pile on the interior that absorbs impact and provides insulation during athletic activity. Compression socks require precisely graduated knitting tension to create the therapeutic pressure profile that improves blood circulation. Fine gauge knitting produces the thin, smooth fabric required for dress socks worn with formal footwear. The factory simultaneously produces the complete range of sock categories across hundreds of machines.
Boarding sets the final three-dimensional shape of the sock by stretching it over a heated metal form that matches the intended foot shape.
Heat and steam lock the yarn's molecular structure into the three-dimensional foot shape it will retain throughout consumer use.
Post-boarding inspection verifies every sock meets the quality and dimensional standards before packaging.
Sock pairing technology ensures every consumer receives a perfectly matched pair.
Multiple packaging formats serve different retail channels and consumer purchase occasions.
thousands of socks per hour, shaped, paired, and packaged.
The lab verifies every performance claim, from cushioning to moisture management to wash durability. Cuff elastic recovery determines how many wearings the sock can endure before it begins to slide down.
Moisture management testing verifies the sock's ability to transport perspiration away from the foot. Heel and toe abrasion testing predicts the real-world lifespan before holes develop.
Premium yarn blends resist pilling significantly longer than standard alternatives.
Compression verification ensures therapeutic socks deliver the medically correct pressure gradient. Color fastness ensures vibrant sock colors survive hundreds of wash cycles without bleeding. The complete portfolio serves every foot comfort and fashion need.
Formal quality approval.
Every batch documented.
The warehouse buffers the enormous production volume. International distribution.
Multi-packs drive value purchases and wardrobe replenishment.
Continuous distribution operations. Manufacturing waste converted back to usable yarn.
Reduced plastic packaging for eco-conscious consumers. Environmental monitoring and improvement.
Millions of pairs departing daily.
Production monitoring of hundreds of independent machines. Individual needle replacement keeps machines at peak performance. Complete operational overview.
Cylinder changeover enables different sock sizes and styles on the same machine. Quality and output review.
Innovation in sustainable performance materials. And darkness falls, the circular knitting machines maintain their relentless clicking production of millions of socks.
Night production matches daytime output and quality identically.
Millions of pairs of foot comfort march through darkness. Hundreds of machines, each independently creating complete socks from raw yarn. A clean facility produces clean socks. An endless stream of paired, packaged foot comfort. The complete transformation from colored yarn to retail-ready socks. Precision logistics at massive scale. One sock, born from cotton, nylon, and spandex yarn, interlocked at thousands of stitches per second. This facility produces millions of the most worn and least appreciated garments in the human wardrobe. The factory's purpose: the simple, daily comfort of well-made socks against skin.
Performance socks provide the moisture management and blister prevention that enable athletic achievement. Compression socks serve medical and wellness markets with measurable health benefits.
The factory transforms raw fiber into daily comfort. From above, a facility dedicated to the world's most fundamental foot comfort.
Fresh knitted socks, identical in quality to the 2 millionth pair.
Every machine clicking, every form pressing, every counter pairing.
Children's novelty socks combine fun patterns with durable construction for active young feet.
From newborn to adult, the sock portfolio serves every foot size. The complete journey from yarn cone to packaged pair in one frame. Front rooms. The most intricate patterns contain over 1,000 individual stitch commands per row.
Seamless toe technology eliminates the ridge that causes discomfort and blistering in sensitive feet.
Performance ski socks provide warmth, cushioning, and shin protection for winter athletes.
Diabetic socks feature loose tops and smooth interiors to protect sensitive feet with compromised circulation. No-show socks integrate silicone grip strips that keep them in place below the shoe line. Hiking socks provide terrain-specific cushioning and protection. purpose-built construction for every sport. Silver ion technology provides permanent antibacterial properties that eliminate foot odor.
Fashion socks have become a form of personal expression, visible between trouser cuff and shoe.
The visible sock has become a deliberate fashion statement.
Institutional contracts supply thousands of identical specification socks.
Engineered zone construction places specific knitting structures at anatomically targeted locations for optimized performance.
Bamboo fiber provides natural antibacterial properties with sustainable sourcing.
Workers arriving to produce daily comfort for millions. Every color of the rainbow, knitted stitch by stitch.
Okay. Specialty yoga socks with silicone grip soles serve the growing mindful fitness market.
Sock knitting technology has evolved from mechanical cam selection to fully computerized electronic needle control.
As you can see, the thermal conductivity is stabilizing right at the optimal range.
Yes, the graphene infusion is performing exactly as modeled.
Accessible design serves consumers with limited mobility.
The collective output. Millions of precisely knitted comfort garments daily. From the tiniest infant sock to the largest athletic sock, identical precision at every scale. The transition to another night of endless knitting.
Two million pairs knitted, bordered, paired, and packaged. Another perfect production day.
As evening falls, the night shift continues the endless clicking creation of foot comfort.
One pair, cotton, nylon, spandex, 3 fibers interlocked by hundreds of tiny needles into the most fundamental comfort garment.
The sock, cotton for softness, nylon for strength, spandex for fit. Behind it, a magnificent industrial operation.